Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crack It. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications so that you will get any update when we post any video in our channel. In this video, we will be discussing about JSPay developers hiring challenge. Now let's see eligibility and the prices of this hiring challenge. Registration deadline is 25th June and the event is from 11th June to 14th July. Now let's see what are the rounds in this hiring challenge. There will be two rounds in this hiring challenge. First round is online assessment and the second round is 2 days hackathon. In the first online assessment, eligible participants after registering for JustPay hiring challenge on this platform will undergo an online coding challenge where they will be tested on their basic coding skills. So, based on the test scores and the resumes, participants will be shortlisted to proceed to the next stage. And the second round is a 2 days hackathon. Participants shortlisted from first round will be then taking part in today's hackathon. Details for the round will be shared only with the shortlisted student. Now let's check the eligibility of this hiring challenge. JustPay Think Big with functional programming is open to all working professionals with 0 to 1 year of experience, 2020 passouts, and engineering students pursuing their third or final year in BTech BE degrees, 2021 and 22 passouts across all branches. So they are looking for 21, 20, 22 passouts of any branches can apply for this hiring challenge. And skills required for applying this hiring challenge is functional programming, and rules is like 2020, 21, 22 passouts across any branches can apply for this hiring challenge. And participant students can be from any specialization or domain. There is no restriction on the number of participants from an institute. Modification of details post registration closure will not be allowed. So you have to enter details correctly at the time of registration. So plagiarism is strictly prohibited during the online coding challenge. Any cases of plagiarism will result in immediate disqualification of the concerned candidates. So you should not copy any code from any other window, or you should not try to open any other window while writing this assessment. So be careful while writing the assessment. Any deviation from the MO will result in immediate disqualification of the entire team. So you should strictly follow these above rules. And let's see the stages in the hiring challenge. As we already discussed, there will be two rounds in this hiring challenge. Round 1 is online assessment, that is coding challenge. So eligible participants after registering for this challenge will undergo online coding, and you will be notified via email regarding the details of the coding challenge. The assessment will be of 90 minutes to be taken in one sitting, and you can take the assessment within 24 hours of opening the code window. And the second round is 2 days hackathon. So the hackathon will be 2 days. Only the shortlisted candidates from the round 1 will be eligible to participate in the round 2. Now let's see the prizes and rewards. The shortlisted candidates from round 2 will be hired as interns. So they will be given 40,000 per month as a stipend for 6 months. If possible, it can be extended to 8 to 12 months maybe. And based on the performance in the internship, it will be converted to full-time employee. And you will be getting 13 to 15 lakhs per annum. Important dates, as we already discussed about this hiring challenge, will end in 25th June. So you should be apply before this deadline. And the round 1 will take place on 26th June. So if you have any problem while registering this event, you can mail to this help desk. We already discussed about these rewards and prizes. You will be getting a participation certificate from this hiring challenge, and based on the performance in the internship, you will be getting 13 to 15 LPA. So perform well guys. Apply soon as possible. Apply link is given in the description.